OMG, guys. So let me tell you, there are so many things that I love about this house, specifically the tray ceiling. It is breathtaking. I can definitely tell you, video does not do it justice, because when I walked in here, took my breath away. It's so cool, looks so nice. Definitely a level of elegance to it. Now, let me show you my second favorite thing about this property. It's upstairs, come check it out. My second favorite thing about this house is this bonus room upstairs. Not every floor plan in this subdivision has this bonus space. That has its own full restroom. Another thing that I love about this property is this kitchen. I mean, it is really nice and spacious. Overlooks the dining room and overlooks the living room. Love it. Now, let me show you another really great thing about this house. Let's hop on over. Whoa. Okay, here's one of the things. There's three more. Let me show you. Oh, 2 bedrooms. Come on. Oh, let's hop on to the next one. Whoa. 3 bedrooms. Let's hop on to one more. Oh, and 4, a 4th bedroom. And guys, did we mention the bonus room, making it 5 possible bedrooms? Just saying, super cool. Oh, love the restroom. If you want to see more of this beautiful home, give us a call. We're happy to make a private showing for you. My name is Miranda, the Texas Queen of Real Estate.